Everyone wants more real estate leads, but more leads doesn't always mean more closings. In fact, the bigger problem for many agents isn't lead generation, it's lead management. A 2024 Secret Shopper study by 1000 Watts and Mike Del Prete found that 47% of online property inquiries went completely unanswered. The average response time for the leads that did get a response? More than 8 hours. It gets worse. 62% of open house visitors receive no follow-up at all. These are some of the highest intent prospects in real estate, and most agents never contacted them again. So before you spend more money chasing new leads, ask yourself, are you maximizing the opportunities already sitting in your database? The best real estate lead generation strategies aren't just about generating more leads. They're about converting the leads you already have. If you're looking for proven strategies to generate, nurture, and convert more real estate leads, visit agentadvice.com for expert insights, tools, and resources built specifically for agents.